very interesting topic. This will be there if you are writing your Olympiads, if you all of you are in school, right? Those who are today connected in the Zoom meeting, they are all in school. So even if you are writing Olympiad exams, like Unified Council or SYF Olympiads also, these kind of questions will definitely be asked. So what is that? Usually you will be given a series of questions, series of numbers or series of letters will be given to you, and you have to find out the missing number or missing letter in the series. Today we will be, that means we have in series, we have number series and also we have the letter series. So now today we will discuss about the number series. Before going to the number series, we need to understand that these questions will be, are you able to see the screen or shall I increase?
No, ma'am, the screen is visible.
Visible? Okay. I want to make it little large. Yeah. So very happy to listen to you all the time. All of you are very silently listening. You should put up questions also, especially yeah, mathematics. You need to ask questions. You need to understand things better. So now in this number series, we can have where you add the number, you add a particular number and you get the next number, or it can be by subtracting you get the next number in the series, or sometimes you multiply and you get the next number, sometimes you divide. So what are the four operations that we have? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Sometimes it will be a combination of addition and multiplication, or multiplication with subtraction. We will do few examples today, and that will be taken as where it's a combination of two operations. We call it miscellaneous series. So today, let us see. Now, before going to the questions, one more very important thing which you have to do is learn the squares and the cubes. Squares of numbers. What is meant by a square of a number? Yeah, please answer. What is a square of a number? Tell it in your own words. Yeah?
And when we multiply a number
with itself. When you multiply a number
2 into 2.
Yeah, when you multiply a number with itself, with the number itself, the product is called as square. Very good. Now, suppose if the number is multiplied by itself thrice, then we call it a cube. So it's very important to learn the squares up to 50. At least 50 is enough. All this you have to write down in one place, and then you can keep going through it. Every day 5 minutes you spend, within a week you will be able to totally remember them. While solving the problems, you will understand why it is important to learn the squares. Now coming to cubes also. Coming to cubes, at least till 20, if you can remember the cubes, it will help you while solving the number series problems. So what is the speciality in squares? Can anyone tell? Any particular rules which you have learned in squares? Can you tell any particular observations which you have when related to squares? Suppose I have a number ending with 8. I have a number ending with 8, 128. Can you tell whether it is a square, perfect square or not? Perfect square means when you take the square root, you get like 676 is a perfect square. Means when you take its square root, you will get a whole number, 26 you will get, right? So when I say 128, yeah, can you say whether it is a perfect square or not?
Ma'am, it's a perfect square.
128. 128. See, when you observe all these, I should erase this. When you observe all these squares of numbers, what did you understand here? 64. You start from the 1, 4, 9, 6. Look at the units
Doubling.
place. Yeah, it is doubling, correct. See, doubling means you are multiplying the number with itself, correct. Now here 1, you look at the units place value. 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. Are the units places not repeating? 1, 4. You see here there is 1, here there is 1. I can show you like this. When you are doing it in your regular school thing also, here ending with 1, here ending with 1. This is ending with 2, 4. This is also ending with 4. That means square of a number ending with 2 in its one's place will have 4. Same way, the number ending with 8 also will have a 4 in its one's place. Now 9 is repeating, 6 is repeating, right? So what do you understand here? We understand that if the digits are the end digit, that means the units place digit is 1, 4, 5, 6, uh, 5, 6, then 9 or 0, there is a possibility that, did I miss on any number? I know. If it is ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0, the number can be a perfect square. The number, there is a possibility that it can be a perfect square. Suppose, what are the remaining digits? What are the remaining digits? 2, 3, 7, 8. If the numbers are ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, you can very clearly say that they are not perfect squares. So now look at 128. I am not talking about multiples. 128 is definitely a multiple. It's a multiple of 2, it's a multiple of 4, it's a multiple, yeah, it's definitely a multiple of 8, right? I'm not talking about multiples, I'm talking about squares. Squares means the number should be multiplied with itself. So when you say that the number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, we can say that definitely this particular number will not be a perfect square, right? Now, so today will you do this task of learning? Yeah, writing down at least 1 to 50 squares and 1 to
Yes, ma'am.
20 cubes. This will help you for any competitive exam, right? Now, let me go further a little bit. Right. Let us start with the questions. Cubes also today you write down and learn. So here like no, it can be also written as as +1 or -1. That you automatically, once you learn the cubes, you will understand this. Look at this question. The question has, first question has 144, 196, 256. So why I told you, when you write down the squares and when you learn the squares, where as soon as you look at them, you will say, oh, 144 is a square, 196 is also a square. All of them are perfect squares. 400, 484, all of them are perfect squares. Okay, now let me see, yeah, what is it perfect square of? 144 is a perfect square of 12, 196 14 square, 256 16 square, 324 18 square, 20 square, 22 square. What do you observe in all of them? Okay, now you found out there is a logic behind all these numbers. They are 12 square, 14 square, 16 square, 18 square, 20 square and 22 square. To identify what will be the next number, what do you observe here? They are all even numbers. The difference is 2. So you started with 12, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. What will be the next number?
24.
24. Now 24's square. 24's square is 576. So my answer is 576. Yeah. This is question 1. Very clear. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Now I have 27, 125. Question number 2. 343. Is it? 343 and 729. Yeah. Now cubes. Look at the cubes. Yeah. That's why if you learn the cubes and the squares, it will become very easy for you to easily identify. Because when you subtract or when you add, you are not going to get the next number. Yes. So here 27. What is 27? 3 cube. 125. 5 cube. 343. 7 cube. 729. 9 cube. So now when you look at the numbers, they are 3, 5, 7 and 9. Oh, they are odd numbers. Again, the gap between any two numbers is 2. These are the base numbers with which that series came. So after 9, what is the next odd number? 11. So 11 cube
11.
is, yeah, very good. So 11 cube is 1331. Got it? Very good. So is this clear? Shall we go to the next question? Yeah.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I have question 3. 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. Now, okay, I am subtracting. See, first, as soon as I look at it, I will see that when I subtract these two, it is 2. Difference is 2. These two, it is 4. Yeah, next one, I will think that it will be 6. Yeah. Now, next one, it is, yeah, 6. Okay. Then next one should be 8. Right? But the next one is again 2. Right? And again 6. Oh, that means this is not by addition. Definitely it will not be by multiplication also. The difference between the numbers is very less, right? So it is not okay if at all this pattern 2, 4, 6 means again here at least 4 should come. That's also not coming. So again I will look at all the numbers. This is 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. All of them are odd numbers, right? If it is odd number, I should have 21 also, no, here. If it was set of odd numbers, I should have 21 also here, right? I should have 25 and 27 here, 33 and 35 here. No, it is not continuous like odd numbers. So what else is it? Again, when I look at it, all of them are prime numbers. All of them are prime numbers. Oh, now we are coming, yeah, in a series where 17, the next prime number is 19, 21 is not a prime number. Yeah, similarly here 25 is not a prime number, 27 is not a prime number. And again here, that is why you are going to 31, 33 is not prime number, 35 is not prime number. So that's why again to 37. So after 37, what what do you have to see? After 37, after 37 is 39. 39 is not a prime number. So the next prime number is 41. So the answer will be 41. So when you look at the question, all these things should keep running in your mind. Yeah. So to mislead you, you will definitely have a number like 39 also over there in the options. Is that clear? Shall we go ahead to the next question? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729. When you look at 125, oh, you should say it's a cube. Let me test with cubes. Are they cubes? So when I look at 64, I will think it is a square. It is 8 square, right? But when I'm looking at 125, oh, I will understand this is not squares, this is cubes, right? So what are the numbers for which they are cubes? 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. So the next number is automatically 10 cube. So the number in the series in this question will be 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000. Yeah, is it clear? Clear, Ashwini and Sneha?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Yeah. Now, coming to the next question. Oh, this is something big, big numbers are there. 4-digit numbers are there. Till now, the squares were okay. Yeah, which you could easily identify. Now, these are big numbers, right? So, look at them. Have you learned the long division method of finding out the squares?
Yes, ma'am.
Long division method. Yeah. Sneha, have you learned long division method? Maybe
Yes,
now
ma'am, and 8.
in 8th standard. Very good. Very good. So now by looking at them, this is somewhere really, this is very close to 1,000, 10,000, 10,000, right? Yeah. So 10,000 means let us try 1,001 into 1,001, right? Because that's a number which you can easily understand, right? 101, 101. It's a zero, right?
Ma'am, 10,201.
Yeah. So 10,201. Oh, it's a perfect square. So this is 101. This is 101 whole square. Okay. So now let me go back and see. So maybe the remaining are also perfect squares. I will check out with my long division method. Okay, so I have observed that here this will be 79 square, 83 square, 89 square, and 97 square. So what do you observe between 79 and 83? Now the numbers here are 79, 83. Okay, here only you can write down 73, 79, 83, yeah, 89,
8 is
97.
difference, ma'am.
Okay. 97 is not given. We have to find out. The difference is here it is
8.
4. Okay. Here it is the difference between 79 and 83 is 4. 83 and 89 is 5. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that, the difference is becoming increasingly. It is increasing. It is, oh, here it is 4. Here it is 6. 4, 6. What will be the next one? 8. 8. So 89 plus 8 will be 97 square. Then you have to again check 8. After, yeah, the next number also you have to check whether it is holding good or not. Then you have to substitute your number over there. Right? So when you are looking here, one more thing. Okay, when you took the difference between these two, 1 second. This is slightly tricky. Why? Because when you are taking the difference between these two is 4. The difference between these two is 6. Right? Now, difference between these two suppose is, yeah, 12. Yes or no? Yeah. It is not following any particular pattern. Yes or no? So when you now look at them, they are all prime numbers. Yeah. So after 89, you looked for a prime number. 101 is also a prime number. After 89, 91. 91 is not a prime number. 13 sevens were 91. 93. 93 also is divisible by 3, not a prime number. 95, not a prime number. 97, yeah, yes, it is a prime number. Again, 99 is not a prime number because the difference between these two is 4. Difference between these two is 8. Yes. So that's why we need to observe that it is again a prime number. So little carefully you have to do that. Now, 11, 22, 34, 47, 61, 76. First, let us take the difference. Let us take the difference. It's 11, 12, 13, 14. This is quite simple. 15. So what will be the next one? Plus 16. So 76 plus
92.
16. Very good. Answer will be 92. Okay. I will share this document with all of you. There are a few more questions. You can go through them. If you have any doubts, we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Dear students.